Hi, it's James. Been gone a while, but guess what? I'm back in the shop again. Hello, this is James, and I have not posted a video in quite a while, and today I want to catch up with y'all and kind of fill in what's been going on around my shop. I've been adding things and selling things and making room for more things. So I'll update you on that, but the big news is I'm the proud owner of an Atezr 35 watt laser, and I will be going over the unboxing, the build, and the enclosure that I'm going to be building to house it in another room in my shop. So let's get going. So first of all, I've moved equipment around. I've sold off some equipment. I have more equipment to sell. Some of that is back there, but I've made improvements to this wall here, and I'm doing a French cleat system. I have more to build up on top there, but that got most of the clutter that's been all over my benches and floor, got that put away. And fairly soon I'm going to be taking that Grizzly dust collector and I'm going to be mounting it on this corner of the shop, and I'm going to be exhausting it straight out the wall, so to eliminate all the microparticles that are all over the shop from these things. I bought some 4-inch pipe, and I'm going to duct the dust collection system across the shop and down the walls over here, so that'll be coming up soon. And we've also been spending some time getting ready to garden this year. We have our seedlings that we planted on March the 6th and March the 9th. We have all kind of vegetables and all kind of perennials and annuals that'll be going out in the garden this year. So today is March the 22nd, and this laser journey started right around Christmas when I started doing a whole lot of research. I had previously been given an opt laser, 6-watt laser, to experiment with, and although it's a pretty nice engraver, it created a lot of smoke and there was no way to enclose it because I was using it on my CNC machine. So I started researching the DX or the D1 from X-Tool and a few others, but after doing all the research I did choose Atezr. The reviews from some of the YouTube people were just really awesome. The only problem is they've been way behind in their production schedule. So I made my order on February the 24th. On March 3rd, I got the extension kit, which I'll be showing you in just a moment. And then I had to wait until March 19th for the Atezr to actually come. And I've been putting it together and building the enclosure ever since. So we're going to take you through that step by step. So this is what just came today. I'm pretty sure it's the base V35 Pro, and behind it is the extension the box with the extensions that I got a couple of weeks ago. Now this one arrived today with no shipping notice, no tracking number. It was a total surprise. So we will be unboxing that and showing you how it goes together. Now there have been a lot of unboxing videos and a lot of assembly videos on YouTube, so I'm probably not going to do an assembly video, but I would like to open it and at least show you what comes in the box. I'm very excited about this. According to everything I've read, it comes really nicely packaged. Basically, starting out with a piece of aluminum. It's a cutting mat. I don't know if it comes with a honeycomb or not, but a nice piece of foam. And manuals and instructions. And every single thing has a really nice foam cutout. I love the color. Let me get you a close-up. So this is basically what comes in the box. Really nicely packaged. And Over there is my extension kit, and over there is the exhaust fan, plus I've already ordered from JTech 3 pieces of safety acrylic to put on the front of my enclosure, and then I've ordered this really nice surge protector that is individually switched so that I can turn on the air assist, the laser, the LED lights. I can have everything individually switched on and off. So this is going to be quite versatile. I cannot wait to get started. So here's everything unpacked from the box, and I'm pretty sure this is the axis that's going to be replaced by the extension kit, which I will unbox now. This is going to be big. More of the black foam. Oh, I think I'm upside down. Yep. Okay, here's the extension manual. Nice piece of foam. Ooh. Just let that go. This is going to be huge. Wow. I am very impressed by how heavy these rails are. Back in the day when I first got my X-Carve from Inventables, I was not very impressed with the flimsiness of it. That's why I upgraded to CNC for newbies, but this is amazing. I wonder if I can use these for something else. We'll see. But it's going to be an adventure. So in addition to my CNC for newbie upgrade CNC machine being in this room, I just finished painting this wall because I'm going to be building the bench for the new laser. Will be assembled here. I'm going to build an enclosure for it. I've already put the hole through the wall to exhaust all of the smoke and fumes. And in addition to the laser and the expansion kit and the exhaust fan and all the other things that have come, I also got the extra big Nivel honeycomb. And what I intend to do is going to be kind of cool. Let me demonstrate. My wife, before she retired, had a desk that she could lift and stand and work with her computer and then lower it back down. Now, I thought it would be really cool. I tried to sell it, but then I thought, wait a minute, this would be a really cool thing for me to install at this, well, it'll be at this height, but at full height to the laser. And then if I got bigger things that I wanted to burn, I could lower this back down to the appropriate level, and also for cleaning underneath and whatnot, because I am going to be building the enclosure, like I said, in the other room. So I thought this was just a fabulous idea for being flexible enough to get big things. I can get things 18 inches tall under this space. So that's going to be huge for me. So during construction, I did not take any videos, but just took still pictures. So I'll be narrating for a few minutes. So this is just a simple frame construction, 2x4s screwed to the studs in the wall. And if you're wondering about the irregular spacing, it's because I had to have a big enough space for the honeycomb to come up from underneath. And here we have the installation of the bottom platform that's going to hold the lift that'll raise the honeycomb up and down. And I added the laser just to make sure all my sizes were going to be correct. You can also see the iPower exhaust fan off to the right. So I'm making the width of the enclosure 58 inches to leave room for the accessories, the air assist and the power supply and whatnot. Before adding the top to the enclosure, I decided to put the lights in. Now these are leftover lights that I had used for under cabinet lighting in our previous home, and because it wasn't code, I had to take them out, but I'm glad that they were useful here. So I put them onto the top of the enclosure before installing the top, just to make life easier. So here's just a dry fit of the top and what it would look like with the lights on. And here's the ductwork that I used to exhaust all the fumes and the smoke. These are things I had just laying around the shop, so I didn't really have to buy anything with this, which is great. So I use pocket screws to build the doors, and this is just a dry fit of the safety acrylic to make sure everything fits correctly. I got those from JTech, of course. And I want the whole enclosure to be airtight except for where the ductwork comes out. And if necessary, I'll be drilling some small holes later. But this is the panel door to close off the bottom section. And again, to seal it off, I just use caulking on all the joint surfaces. So I used a piano hinge on both the top lid door and the bottom panel door, and they seem to work out real well. And here it is with the right side door, which just uses conventional hinges to open it from left to right. And here it is with the safety acrylic panels installed and the first coat of paint. Well, here's the finished enclosure. I have the lights on inside right now, but I'll take you on a guided tour in just a moment. But what's interesting is because of the expansion and the room that I set aside for the accessories, this is almost as big as a Thunder Laser Nova 35. But let me hold the camera and I'll take you through all the things that are inside. So let me open it up. I decided instead of one big door opening that I would go with two. So this one opens to the left and this one opens up, and I have a hook to hook it up open so that it can be loaded. And then down here is where I have the lifting tray, the lift system to raise the honeycomb up and down. So I have all the accessories on the right side. There's room enough for everything, and I have the surge protector here with all the accessories individually switched, so I can turn on the exhaust fan there, and I can turn the lights on and off here, and I can turn the power to the laser on and off, and I have room for other accessories when it's done. So it's going to work out great. I would love to do a demonstration, although I don't have the cable. I would love to do a demonstration, but they haven't shipped me the extension cable yet, so I cannot do a demo. But don't worry, I'll be doing lots of videos in the near future and show you how it works when it's all up and running. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Come on back soon, because we'll be doing numerous projects with both the laser and the CNC machine. So hurry back. Thanks again.